Gentlemen, I just got a new box of Hot Wheels. Join me to see if we get any good ones. The Super Treasure Hunts, for those who don't know what a Super Treasure Hunt is, are the most sought after, expensive, and valuable cars that come out. In these boxes, you get a good one, but you never know how many boxes there are or which ones they come in. They're really hard to find now. Some people say there's one in every 7 boxes, others say there's one in every 10, 12, or even 15 boxes. Nobody really knows, but let's see if we're lucky today and get some good pieces in this box they sent us. Our friends from Racing Cars Querétaro, follow them guys on all their social media, Racing Cars Querétaro. As usual, the left side will have the most wanted, coolest items, while the right side has less popular ones. At the end of the video, I'll tell you which box it is. Alright, here comes a T-shifter, it's the first piece we get, then a Polestar, it's nice and yellow. These are fantasy pieces, I don't like them. This is an American card because it's in English. Oh, what a beautiful Ferrari, a Ferrari 12 Cylindri, this one is nice. The red color on this Ferrari looks awesome, a really nice red, right? Look at the back, the front part isn't detailed. I do like the design, I think it's a good piece. New 2026 model, this one is obviously going to be highly sought after by collectors. Let's move on with 2 more pieces. A Dodge Dart, another familiar model, a K-Swift, a little white truck. Ah, the gentleman is calling us. Different variant. Let's go with the next piece guys, a Hako Type D. This one is nice, I like the color, it's a really cool color. I think it's one of the nicest colors that Hot Wheels boxes have. Is it worth adding to your collection? Yes, I love these new wheels. The design is great. Let's put it here. I don't think it's very sought after. We have an Eric Tain Roth. It's a piece that I personally don't like very much, but the kids like it. And over here we have this new 2026 model, an eggshell laser. This here is a dragon the shape of an egg and it has a spoon. Here you can see that it's a spoon with an egg on top. It's a strange piece. This one doesn't do anything. It's not from the drag racer line. Well, it's just a different car, an egg for whoever needs it or is missing one. Here in this box there's another piece, it's nice, a Mazda RX-3 in grey. This one is pretty sought after. Let's say it's somewhere in the middle. Let's put it on this side. Let's go with 2 more pieces. There's a custom 2020 Honda in yellow, a new electric vehicle model from 2026. The taillights in front are both very detailed, a good piece. It's not that sought after, but let's put it on this side. Cruise Blueser is an old familiar one. There are a lot still hanging in stores. The less popular ones go on this side. These are the ones that remain in the store. A Volkswagen ID Bus Bomb, new 2020 model. It's nice, I think it's a nice piece. It has some surfboards on top going back to the beginnings of Hot Wheels with their surfboards. Meh. What do you guys think? I haven't seen this one hanging, so let's put it on this side. 2 more pieces, gentlemen. A little keychain is also nice. Cope Clip Los Tres in purple, a new variant. There are 4 or 5 variants of this piece. I prefer the Samag as it wears out less for me. We have a special piece, a cute little Chinese cat as well. This one moves its little arm. Surely you can see here that it moves. To see what the Hot Wheels does, check the top of the back. It shows if it has mobility. A piece that's kind of so-so, but I think this one will stay. This side is for the sought-after ones. It's more fantasy than anything else. A golden twin that's not golden, it's white. A new variant of the famous golden twin. At the top. It doesn't have little boards anymore. It doesn't have anything. Let's put it on this side too. 2 more pieces, guys. We have a supercharger. It's nice. 75 years of NHRA. It's cool. I like the design it has. Too bad I'm not a dragster. Let's remember that in previous versions of these pieces, they were dragsters, meaning this would move and the engine would come out. What does this one do? It moves over here. How things have changed, guys. After having basic cars that had mobility, where the whole chassis would move, now we have pieces that only move a little part, just a piece of plastic. Sadly, let's put it on this side. This piece is actually nice. A Maserati Tipo 61, look at that beautiful design. Even though it's a simple design, in white it looks really cool. It's a shame that it's not detailed, neither in the front nor in the back, but I think it's a very, very nice piece. Let's continue with another beauty, a Mazda RX-3 tuned. It's also pretty decent, don't worry, it has its body kit on this side. I think it looks awesome, it's signed, a good piece. This one goes over here and I'm going to show it. Cadillac, I like this Cadillac, it's nice. I think it's a really, really cool design. Hey, Cadillac's cars are doing poorly. Are they struggling in Formula 1? Anyway, that's another story. It's their first year, so we have to give them a chance. Let's put it over here. What's this? What is this? Voltage Spike is a fantasy car. I think it's a fantasy car. I haven't seen it. If anyone knows it, if you've seen it in real life, let me know here in the comments. It goes over here. Now let's go with another piece, the Segundo Coupe. This one is nice. This is a nice car. Personally, I like it a lot. In this white variant, which is the third one if I'm not mistaken, it also looks pretty cool, pretty nice. I think it's a piece that's worth having in the collection, but it's not that sought after either. It has that Fast and Furious vibe, right? It looks like it's from Fast and Furious, but it's actually a custom 66 Toronado. Isn't it a beautiful car? Modified car. Look how nice it looks from the front. It looks aggressive, it looks strong, worthy of the Fast and Furious movies. New model for 2026. I think this one is going to be pretty sought after. It's beautiful, it's nice, the license plate is detailed and that's appreciated. The front lights aren't really needed that much. It doesn't look like it needs that much detail either. A very good piece. And just look at this, gentlemen. A powerful bad boat, bad boat in black. It's so nice. One of the sought after pieces this year. It's beautiful. I think I don't have this one. Look, I haven't been able to get this one. Obviously I want it. All the basic ones I buy are going to be hung up and I'm going to wait to find this one hanging up. Alright, let's go with two more pieces, guys. Dodge 330 and Long Block. This piece is cool. In white, it looks really good. And the one below, well, it doesn't stay on the pegs either. Let's go with a J-Bot Roto. This one has a good design, although it's also been left on the pegs. Look how beautiful this Mazda Savannah RX-7 is. This orange color looks awesome, very detailed. Also from the back, from the front, it has some small details that also make it look spectacular. Very nice piece. Let's go over here. Come on, how beautiful. An old Audi, already known in a black variant, a spider detailed in the back, also with its little plate in the front. Look at the details, how they make a car stand out, make it look nicer, more attractive, a spectacular, gorgeous piece. Let's put this one over here too, although that spider stayed on the pegs. Also to help the box, since a Rapid Pulse doesn't do as well as this one. Yeah, it's a shame, just kidding, everyone has their own tastes. This one stayed on the pegs, so let's add two more pieces. What's this? We have a Honda City Turbo 2 that also stayed on the pegs, and we have a Cruise Booster that also stayed on the pegs. It's not a very special piece, but we have a Beard Eye Burner, a birthday cake, basically a slice of cake, whatever you want to call it, whatever you want to name it, which also isn't selling. What do you think? Do you like it? We already have one more piece. Two of this Hako are coming, Hako Type D. I like this one. I don't even remember what I put. I think I put it on this side to help the box. It goes on this side. And that's because of the tires. We have a Lamborghini Huracan Coupe, which obviously is going to be one of the most sought after ones. It has a really nice body kit. It's a really beautiful piece, just gorgeous. Do you like it? There aren't details on the back, but they're not needed on the front either. Yeah, with some good rubber tires, believe me, it looks spectacular. Really beautiful. We continue with an Impala, also very nice, it's already a familiar one. And for the design it has, this one has also been left behind. Unfortunately, the box is half and half fantasy and half, or half sought after and half not sought after. Anyway, let's see what comes from this side. Let's see if we get the Super. Remember that the Supers almost always come in the back. Nissan Skyline 2000 GTR, beautiful. This variant looks really cool. Obviously, this is one of the sought-after ones. Bike broken, Johto broken, another one. There are two. We have a Pass Geyser, which this one already is a... This piece has been around for years, but isn't popular. People are leaving it, it's just hanging there. A Pagani Huayra Roadster in green, also an old, well-known and detailed one from the front, from the back as well, also a piece. 23, Calling on Santo, don't get scared. We have another Impala, folks, also really cool, very nice, but it's also been left hanging. Let's put it on this side. Wow, check out the pedal driver. When it was released, some collectors actually wanted it. Later it was ignored, and now that we have it, we also don't pay attention to it. Here come three more pieces. Wow, look, this car is really cool. We have a Mazda RX-3, a Mazda. We have two of them. It's a good piece, let's put it on this side. We have a second coupe as well, another variant. There are two of them, let's put them on this side. Racing Bulls Formula 1 from Visa Cash. What do you think? Do you like it or not? Which variant do you like more, the black one or the white one? I think they changed the sponsors here, or maybe they added more, because it looks different to me. Let me know in the comments what changed on this car and if you like this new variant or not. It's nice, in white, it looks good. Formula 1 cars, this one goes on this side. Obviously everything related to Formula 1 is in demand. People don't ignore this one. Here comes a Chevelle in white. This one is an old acquaintance also. The design looks cool and interesting. Let's put it here. Nissan Z 2023. This is a very beautiful piece. Personally, one of my favorite cars. Let's also put it on this side. This will likely be one of the most sought after in the box. The Ford Sierra Cosworth. What do you think? Do you like this piece or not? Where would you put it? This variant tends to get left hanging. This pink variant looks good, it doesn't look bad, but I don't think it's going to be that sought after or taken either. Alright, just 2 more pieces. This will be quick and simple. Rapid Pulse and Renault Space go here. They're not pieces most people want. Here comes another Pass Geyser, which isn't that sought after either, and there are 2 of them. Wow. Homer. Obviously, this one is definitely one of the sought after ones. It's great that it's coming back in a 2nd edition. It's not a variant because the color looks pretty much the same to me. I think it's just a new edition, so to speak. It's nice, isn't it? So it's a reissue. It's nice. The Simpsons family car is really cool. The paint looks really good. I don't know if there's any paint variant. It looks pretty much the same to me. What do you guys think? Leave me a comment down here, guys. It really helps me a lot when you leave a comment, give a like, or share the video. Maserati Tipo 61. There are 2 of them. Let's put it over here. Another piece, this custom 2000 Honda electric vehicle. The box is half and half, huh? It's holding up. With 2 Homers, I think it's worth it. Toyota Pyrus Custom in white with its Japanese body kit. Everything that's Japanese is sought after, so let's put it over here. The Simpsons family car. I'm telling you, this one is really cool, huh? Really nice. I like the family car a lot. Here comes a Porsche Carrera in brown. This color isn't one of my favorites, but it doesn't look bad. The Porsche looks really good. Let's put it on this side. 2 more pieces. A Mazda RX-3, a Volkswagen E-Bus-Bomb, huh? Let's put it on this side. The box is fine. It's decent. It's acceptable. We've seen worse boxes. This is the 1985 Honda CRX in Honda yellow. Do you like this one or not? Let's put it on this side. There are 2 more pieces. A Renault Espace F1, let's put it on this side. A Supercharger, we've already talked about this piece, let's put it on this side. There are 2, or are there 2 right now? Another coupe in purple on this side. Oh, a Nissan Skyline 2000, so there are 2, because these are really sought after. And another Audi Spider in deep black. Let's go over here. We already have a couple of eggs, gentlemen. There were 2 in this box. I want to be a Hot Wheels designer and create wild designs since everyone has their own tastes. I think this job requires a lot of creativity. I'm going to put this egg over here. Come on. We're almost done with the box. Here comes another custom. Oh, here comes another custom, huh? Tornado, also really nice. It's a new model from 2020 we've discussed. Very Fast and Furious style. Another Porsche Cafecito. Here comes a Honda CXR. There are a lot of these. We've already counted 3, right? If I'm not mistaken, of this piece. Sadly, we're down to the last 3 pieces. We didn't get the super treasure hunt, but we did get an Acceleron that's really nice. A Corvette C7 Z06, which is also beautiful. It looks cool, right? Very nice piece. And last, though not as important, a golden twin. Gentlemen, I'm going to show you which box this is as usual. This is the E2026 box American cardback. I'll show you on screen which super from this box we missed. And honestly, it's kind of mixed. It has some good, very nice pieces, like the family car, and it also has a lot of fantasy cars. I'm going to give this box a solid 8, no more, no less. Tell me, what rating would you give it? If you like this video, check out this other great one. Remember, if you don't watch it, Custom Mexico. See you next time with a new video. Be happy and goodbye.